Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, August 21st, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen, and we are on the 4-hour time frame to start with. So on the 4-hour time frame, first of all, I've been saying for the last few days, I think it would make more sense if price went up and took out that high. And yesterday, price did bounce from a fib level pretty nicely. So I think there's a pretty good chance it is going to go up, at least taking out this high, grabbing some liquidity before we get that bigger move to the downside, hopefully proving that this right here really is the end of a pullback on the daily, weekly time frame. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, if you saw yesterday's video, I said if you get that double bottom engulfing up, break a structure at a Fibonacci level, then that's exactly what I would be looking for to tell me that this move down is over. So if you were paying attention, then hopefully you caught on to that trade. Now, more than likely, this is going to keep on going up. I would expect it to at least take out this high, and I think there's a good chance it will take out those highs in the 4 hour time frame. So I definitely wouldn't be recommending longs right now. I think it's going to continue to drift up. Hopefully, there'll be some little three-way pullbacks along the way so we could get long again, potentially for the continuation of this uptrend. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.